everyone. Thank you for subscribing me, even though I got a little subscribers. So now I wanna tell to you, please set in the comment section 1 to 8, like you're gonna put it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like that, because I got a new toy. So I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna see that what do you want. Bye. But thank you for liking my videos, and please subscribe more and please like me more, because I am kind. I'm never rude. I'm very kind. Okay? Remember that. Because I really love Eva Jude.